Hello students, today we have chosen a very important topic, better to say the last topic so far Microsoft Excel is concerned, and it is import of data in spreadsheet. Normally the compatible type of data which is supposed to be in a tabular format among the various type of software that can exchange the data with each other. Keeping this concept in mind, we are just going to import tabular data from Microsoft Access to Microsoft Excel or in type of spreadsheet software. So let's start. Now whenever you go for it, basically you can find it out that in Microsoft Excel or in a spreadsheet, the data what is actually being distributed in rows and columns, because we call it a tabular format, and just at the intersection of a row and column we can find out a cell, and that cell contains the data. Hence why we are having the cell address. That means every cell is having a content mostly, and that particular cell can be manipulated by the cell address. Now whenever you are having the content in a cell, that means that we are going to have the data in a tabular format. So whatever software is supporting the tabular format data, that can be taken into consideration so that the data can be imported from that type of pattern to Microsoft Excel. Now keeping this concept in mind, we are going to today demonstrate how tabular data from Microsoft Access can be imported in Microsoft Excel. Now let's check. Now whenever we're going to go for that, there you have to just go for certain clicks, that means certain steps, and if you follow those steps you can easily copy the content, or you can transfer the content, or you can just import the content from Microsoft Access to Excel. Now first of all you have to click on the tab data, and on the extreme left hand side you can find it out, get external data. So normally whenever we're going to get the external data, we have chosen today Microsoft Access. There are other formats also, but better for understanding as per the class 9, please have the data imported from Microsoft Access, because it is also supporting the tabular format for storing the data. Now first of all you click on the data tab, then click on the from Access, and as soon as you click on Access, then you are going to find it out a specific pattern, or you can better to say specific window, and this window is basically going to let you open a folder which is supposed to help you in opening a particular type of database. So you can find it out. Right now arrow has been put on demo for transportation SSCDB. Actually this SSCDB Microsoft Access database, and this is the a simple demo database I have created or designed for you so that we can easily understand it. You have to click on that and you have to click open, and as soon as you click open you can find it out a small menu, and menu is going to help you in prompting something. Select how you want to see the data in your workbook. So normally in a tabular format we may be expecting that the data should also be in the format of a table. So we have clicked on the redo button table, and as soon as you click on OK, I can find it out. This pattern is going to be available on your Excel worksheet or spreadsheet. Now we can find it out. The contents is available in season 14-15 rice 500 metric ton, wheat 450 metric ton. So this is a very simple way just to deal with transportation or interchange, or better to say the importing data for Microsoft Excel to Microsoft, or better to say a Microsoft Access to Microsoft Excel. Now if you go for that, so let's check on understanding. Now for the understanding part we have chosen a very simple topic. Create a table fruit for fruits with a name, price, vendor and the quantity in an Access database, my database, with at least 5 fruits. Import in an Excel worksheet. That means you have to create a database called my database, and within it you have to create a table called fruit, and the value of the table fruit should be having the name of fruits, its individual prices, vendor and quantity. As soon as you complete the designing of a table or the database, then you have to import that particular tabular format, or better to say table, into an Excel worksheet. Now there is another assignment for you. That is a very simple one, but it is something similar also. Now write down the basic informations, that means the name, publisher, price, etc. about in 5 books. That means you have to design a particular notepad file book, and which is supposed to be having the information about 5 books, and you have to import the data in the Excel worksheet. That means in assignment number 1, I am importing data from Access to Excel, and in the second case I have chosen a textual format as a source, and we're going to get the importing the values in Microsoft Excel. Now thank you. I think you have got it properly. Stay at home, stay safe, and please be ready for the next challenge. Thank you.